made easy because of this logic. 143 is 5 into 28 plus 3. This is nothing but 2 power 28 into 28 factorial into 3 factorial. So 28 factorial is 5 into 5 plus 3. Are you all with me? So this is nothing but 2 power 5 into 5 factorial into 3 factorial. 2 power 5 is 32, 2, 120, right? Unit digit is 2. These 6, 2 2s are 4, 4 6 are 24, it is 4. So these 4, 3 factorial is 6, 2 power 28, it is nothing but 2 power 10 power 2 into 2 power 8. 2 power 10 is 1024, 24 power even 76 into 256. 6 6 are 36, 6 4s are 24, 4 4 6 are 24. I hope the logic is clear. Everybody kindly reply in the live chat if this concept is clear to you, right? This just nothing but doing research on how to make my students solve this last non-zero digit, right, very fast. What is the entire idea? Idea is 2 power a into a factorial into b factorial. What are a and b? When you divide a number by 5, 5a plus b, what are all the logics that you get? Everybody kindly reply. Everybody kindly reply in the live chat, right? If you have understood this concept, any question you can solve it recursively. Everybody clear? Everybody clear? No need of doing 2 and 5 and everything. In my next class on April 15th, I will tell you last 2 non-zero digits also, which is something I learned from the number theory book. Now find the last non-zero digit of 2000 factorial. This is nothing but 5 into 400 plus 0. This is 2 power 400 into 400 factorial into 0 factorial. This is nothing but a power 4k. A power 4k, what will be the unit digit? A power 4. This is the unit digit of that number. 2 power 4 is 16. This is 6. 4 into 1, 400 factorial, it is nothing but 5 into 80 plus 0. So 2 power 80 into 80 factorial into 0 factorial. 2 power 80, again it is 6. 80 factorial. 80 factorial is nothing but 2 power 16 into 16 factorial. 6. Again 2 power 16 is 6. 16 factorial is 2 power 3 into 3 factorial into 1 factorial. 6 into 6 into 2 cube into 6. 6 6 6 6 6. 6 8s are 48. Answer is 8. Answer is 8. I hope the idea is clear. Last non-zero digit, if it is given in the question, right, other students will solve it, right, taking powers of 2 and 5, direct application of it, you will get the answer in seconds. You will get the answer in seconds. I hope the logic is clear. Next one. Highest power exam model. I don't need to do so many other questions. Once the concept is clear, you can solve that logic. You can also create so many questions, sir. Find the last non-zero digit of 50 factorial minus 49 factorial. What it will be? 50 into 49 factorial minus 49 factorial. So these is nothing but 49 into 49 factorial. Find out the last 2 digits of 49 factorial. Do it with 49. I hope it is clear. I hope the idea is clear. Whatever the rightmost non-zero, you will get this one. 1 multiplied by 9. 99 factorial plus 100 factorial. Rightmost non-zero digit. 99 factorial. 100 factorial is 100 into 99 factorial. So these is nothing but 101 into 99 factorial. Do the rightmost non-zero digit. of this number multiply by 1. Multiply by 1. Oh, like that you can create n number of questions, sir. 8 into 16 into 24 and so on up to 800. These is nothing but 8 power 100 into 100 factorial. This is 2 power 300 into 100 factorial, rightmost non-zero digit. A power 4k, it is 6. 100 factorial, whatever the rightmost non-zero digit, that will be the answer. Like that you can create, once the idea is clear, you can create as many questions as possible. 50 factorial minus 49 factorial, 99 factorial plus 100 factorial, 8 power 100, a power 4k, unit digit is a power 4, a power 4k, unit digit is a power 4, a power 4. So 2 power 4 is 16, 6. 100 factorial, do it. We have done so many problems based on how to do the rightmost non-zero digit of 100 factorial. Now, next one. Highest powers exam model. All the questions whatever I am taking, are lifted from the previous year competitive examination questions. Either the patterns are same or they are the exact questions. Same model came in the exam or same question came in the exam. Highest power exam model. Now see. Find the smallest number p such that p factorial is divisible by 990. So p factorial is perfectly divisible by 990. That means remainder is 0. So remainder 1, p factorial, it is nothing but 11 into 9 into 2 into 5. It is 0. Here p should contain 1 power of 11. So p minimum value, it is nothing but 11. Because if I take 11 factorial, it is 11 into 10 into 9 and so on up to 3 into 2 into 1. 11 is present, 9 is present, 2 is present, 5 will be present. So to get minimum 1 power of 11, what is the lowest natural number which will give 1 power of 11? 11 factorial. So what is the minimum value of p? It is 11. Minimum value of p is 11. I hope the idea is clear. Minimum value of p is 11. Next one. These already we did this question. Find the remainder 1. 1 factorial. These kind of models are highly repeated in the exam, sir. So from 5 factorial, all are divisible by 5. 1 plus 2 plus 6 plus 24 divided by 15. 5. Extremely repeated logic, sir. These are all 30, 32, 33. Answer for this question is 3. Answer for this question is 3. 1 factorial 1, 2 factorial 2, 3 factorial 6, 4 factorial 25, 5 factorial onwards. All are divisible by 5. 5 factorial onwards. All are divisible by 5. These clear. Easy questions. Find the remainder 1. 1 factorial whole cube, 2 factorial whole cube, 4 factorial whole cube, and so on up to 600 factorial whole cube. 36 is nothing but 2 square into 3 square. 4 factorial whole cube. 4 factorial is 24. Whole cube is 2 cube into 3 power 3, which is 2 power 9 into 3 power 3. 2 power 9 into 3 power 3. 3 factorial whole cube, which is 2 into 3 whole cube, which is 2 cube into 3 cube. 2 cube is divisible by 4. 3 cube is divisible by 3 square. From here onwards, all are divisible. 1 plus 2 cube, 8. Answer is 9. Answer is 9. I hope it is clear. Actually, I remember this question is not divided by 36. This is divided by some other number. That also original question I will keep. 3 factorial is 6 cube. 6 cube is 216. 216 is divisible by 36. So from 3 factorial out, 1 plus 2 is 8, answer is 9. The question which was given in the exam is not 36 but 1152. This is not 600, this is 1152 factorial power 3. Please write down. 1 factorial power 3, 2 factorial power 3, 3 factorial power 3 and so on up to 1152 factorial power 3 is divided by 1152. Now see here, 4 factorial whole cube. This is nothing but 24 whole cube. This is nothing but 24 square into 24. Am I right? 24 square is 576. 24 is 2 into 12. That means this number is divisible by 1152. This number is divisible by 1152. 1152 is nothing but 576 into 2. 576 into 2. That means from 4 factorial all are divisible. 2 whole cube is 3. 3 cube is 6 cube 216 divided by 1152. 224, 225. Answer for this question is 225. Why? Because 4 factorial is 24. 24 whole cube is divisible by 24 whole cube is divisible by 24 square into 24. 576 into 2. That means this is divisible by 1152. This is divisible by 1152. I hope the idea is clear. Easy question, sir. Find the digit in the hundreds position. Hundreds position of the product. Product is 1 factorial into 2 into 3 factorial into 4 factorial into 5 factorial into 6 factorial. 2 factorial it is 2 power 1. 3 factorial it is 3 power 1 into 2 power 1. 4 factorial is 24, which is 2 cube into 3. 5 factorial it is 120, which is 2 cube into 3 into, right? 5. Or directly we will write, why are we doing? 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial, 6 factorial. 1 into 2 into 6 into 24 into 120 into 720. 120 into 720. 0, 0. That means 2 zeros. Units place 0, tens place 0. Hundreds place is 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 6 6s are 36, 36 2s are 72. Answer for this question is 2. Because 5 factorial is 120, 6 factorial is 720, 0 0 cancel. 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 6, 6 6s are 36, 6, 6 2s are 72. Unit digit is 2. Unit digit is 2. Very easy question. Unnecessarily I am doing as a power of prime basis. Very, very important, highly repeated question it is. Highly repeated question. Please write down, sir. N minus 1 factorial is never divisible by n. N minus 1 factorial is never divisible by n if n is a prime number. If n is a prime number and n equivalent to 4. Extremely important logic, sir. Extremely important logic. Rambabu, mobile disko. N factorial is never divisible by n if n is a prime number and n equivalent to 4. Example, if n equivalent to 3, 3 minus 1 factorial 2 factorial is never divisible by 3. If n equivalent to 6, 6 minus 1 factorial 5 factorial it is divisible by 6. N minus 1 factorial is never divisible by n if n is a prime number and n equivalent to 4. Prime numbers are from 1 to 50. There are 15 prime numbers. There are 15 prime numbers. There are 15 prime numbers, right? So n is a prime number, right? 15 prime numbers. What are the prime numbers? 2, 3 plus 4 is one number. 15 plus 1 is 16. 15 plus 1 is 16. These most of the exam model questions we have solved it in the class, so I am going very fast. 1 to 50 there are 15 prime numbers plus 1. What is the highest power of 6? Examination question. Highest power of 6 that divides 73 factorial minus 72 factorial. 73 factorial minus 72 factorial. N factorial is n into n minus 1 factorial. 73 factorial is 73 into 72 factorial. These 73 into 72 factorial minus 72 factorial. It is 72 for factorial into 72. I want highest power of 6. 6 is 2 into 3. So highest power of 6 in 72 factorial. 6 in 72 factorial. 6 how many powers of 2 will come? 2 38s are, 2 18s are, 2 9s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. So 72 factorial is nothing but 7, 16, 30, 34, 70, 2 power 70 into 3, how much we will get? 3. 3 24s are, 3 8s are, 3 2s are, 32, 34. 3 power 34 into 72 is nothing but 6 square into 2. This is 2 into 3 power 34 into 2 power 36 into 6 square into 2. So this is nothing but here 34 and here 2. 34 plus 2 is 36. I hope the logic is clear. 73 factorial is 73 into 72 factorial minus 72 factorial. So n is nothing but 72 factorial into 72. 6 is 2 into 3. For 2 how much we got? 36, 18, 9, 4, 2, 1. 54, 63, 67, 69, 70. 3 how much we got? 24, 8, 2. 34. 72 is 6 square into 2. Easy one, just a previous year examination question. Previous year examination question. What is the least number that should be multiplied to 100 factorial to make it divisible by 3 power 50? 100 factorial should be multiplied by which number? When divided by 3 power 50, remainder will be 0. 100 factorial multiplied by which number? When divided by 3 power 50, remainder will be 0. 100 how many we will get? 3 33s are, 3 11s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. How much we got? 33 plus 11, 44, 47, 48. These 3 power 48 into some prime numbers to divisible by 3 power 50. How much should be the k value? K value will be 3 power 48 is already there. To get 3 power 50, extra 3 square should be present. Extra 3 square should be present. 100 factorial is 3 power 48 into k1. K1 is other prime numbers. Into k divided by 3 power 50. What should be this number to divide this number? 3 square. Easy question, already we discussed this in the class. By which least number 81 factorial should be divided? 81 factorial should be divided by d such that quotient is not a multiple of 3. Quotient is not a multiple of 3. Quotient is not a multiple of 3. So 81, 3 27s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. So 81 factorial is nothing but 3 power 36, 3 power 40. These 3 power 40 into some number. We are not interested in that number. We are not, these all the logics we discussed. 3 power 40 into some number 3 power 40 into k. Quotient is not a multiple of 3. That means what I should divide it with? I should divide these 81 factorial by 3 power 40. Because 3 power 40 will get cancelled. If it gets cancelled, quotient will be not a multiple of 3. Quotient is not a multiple of 3. I hope the idea is clear. Next one. These are all easy questions, sir. 80 factorial and quotient is not a multiple of 12. Quotient 80 factorial is nothing but 80 factorial is nothing but 80 is giving you 2 40s are, 2 20s are, 2 10s are, 2 5s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. 3, 8, 18, 38, 78. 2 power 78 into 3 will be 3 26 are, 3 8s are, 3 1 2s are. 34, 36 into some other prime numbers. Answer is not a multiple of 12. What is 12? 12 means 2 square into 3. 2 square into 3. 2 square should not be present. So it can be divided by 2 power. If I divide by 2 power 70, what is the least number, right? So if I divide by 2 power 77, 2 power 78 by 2 power 78 by 77, 1. 2 into, it is not divisible. This is one such number. Next, another number. Suppose 3 power 36. This is another number. 2 power 78. 2 power 78 is not divisible by this number. Or another number 2 power 77 into 3 power 35. Can I say this is another number? 78 by 77 is 1, 36 by 35 1. 2 into 3, it is 6. I hope it is clear. Do all this, take the minimum value. If you are not able to find it, kindly WhatsApp this number. I will be happy to help you out. I hope you have understood the logic, right? What is the least number? This question, what is the largest power of? Rambabu? Okay, no issues. What is the largest power of 6 factorial? 6 factorial is 720, which is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. 5 power 1. So 60 factorial, how much you are getting? 2 30s are, 2 15s are, 2 7s are, 2 3s are, 2 1s are. So 60 factorial is 30, 45, 52, 55, 56. 2 power 56 into 60 divided by 3. 3 20s are, 3 6s are, 3 2s are. It is 3 power 28 into 5 is 5 12s are, 5 2s are, which is 5 power 14 into k. I want 2 cube. I want 3 square. I want 5 power 1. Power 3 goes. So these total 14 can be taken. Am I right? 2 4s are, 2 14s are 28. Rambabu pen jodu. Power 14. Why we are taking 14? 14 is already present here. 14 2s are 28. 14 3s are 52. Highest power of 6 factorial is 14. Highest power of 6 factorial is 14. 6 factorial is 720. 720 is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. 5 power 1 I need 5 power 14. So 14. 2 14s are 28. 14 3s are 42. I hope it is all clear. Find the highest, all these questions we solved it in the class, sir. What is the highest power of 5 that divides the first 100 multiples of 5? 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 5 threes are. 100's multiple is 5 into 100. So these are nothing but 5 power 100 into 100 factorial. 5 power 100, 100 factorial is 5 power 24 into k. 5 power 124 into k. All are easy questions because we have already solved it in the class. Most of the questions you can solve it, sir. You can solve these questions orally. I hope it is clear. 5 power 124. See here, read the question. A person starts multiplying consecutive positive integers from 20. From 20 he will start. What numbers should he multiply before he will get a result that will end with 3 zeros? That will end with 3 zeros. He is starting from 20. 20 is 5 into 4. I require 3 zeros means 10 power 3. I require 5 cube. Already 1 5 is there. So I will take another 25. This is 5 into 5. So this will be 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. I hope it is clear. It ends with 20 is 1 5. 25 is 5 square. 5 square and 5 3 zeros I will get. So he has to multiply from 20 and he has to continue till 25. He has to continue from 20 to 25. I hope the idea is clear. Next one, find the number of trailing zeros when all the numbers from 1 to 8 are multiplied together. 1 into 2 into 3 and so on up to 100. If I call it as n, n is nothing but 100 factorial. 100 is 5 20s are, 5 4s are. 24 zeros I will get. 24 zeros I will get. Would the answer be the same if all the numbers from 101 to 200 are multiplied together? If I multiply 101 to 200, 101, 102 till 200, these are nothing but 200 factorial divided by 100 factorial. I hope you are all there with me. This also we have solved this question. This is nothing but 100 factorial is 5 power 24 into k1. 200 will become 5 40s are, 5 8s are, 5 1s are. So answer is 48 49. How can it be same? It cannot be the same. 5 power 49 into k2. 49 minus 24, I am getting 25 zeros at the end. This is 100 factorial. This is 200 factorial by 100 factorial, right? Answer will not be the same. Why? Because 100 factorial contains all the natural numbers from 1 to 100. 200 factorial by 100 factorial contains also the prime numbers from 101 to 200. So that will result in little extra. Idea clear? Next one. These are all some of the logical questions, sir. Everything we have done it in the class. Find the number of zeros. Find the number of zeros at the end of 125 factorial plus 100 factorial. This is nothing but 125, 124 and so on up to 100 factorial plus 100 factorial. This is 100 factorial common, 125, 124 and so on up to 101 plus 100 factorial plus 1 it is plus 1. This is a multiple of 5 plus 1. That means answer is not divisible by 5. Answer in the bracket is not divisible by 5. I hope you are all there with me. 125 is divisible by 5. All are divisible by 5 plus 1. Answer is 5k plus 1. Bracket is not divisible by 5. So this is nothing but the highest power of 5 in 100 factorial. Answer is nothing but 24. Answer is nothing but 24. 5 20s are 5 4s are 20 plus 4 is 24. This also we solved it in the class. Because we solved as many examples in our previous classes, we are finding previous year exam questions to be easy. This is what will happen if you keep on practicing variety of questions. None of the exam questions is something which is giving you fear. And that is the role of a teacher, is to kill that fear, is to give you confidence that you are better than what you think you are. I hope it is clear. Answer is 24. Number of zeros at the end of 125 factorial into 100 factorial. 125 is 25s are 5s are 1. So it is 5 power 31 into k1. 100 is nothing but 5 20s are 5 4s are 5 power 24 into k2. So answer is 5 power 55 into k1 into k2. Find the number of zeros. So here I will get 2 power. Number of zeros for factorial is always the power of 5. I hope it is clear to you. I hope all these concepts are clear to you. Exam model, everything, I hope it is clear to you. All these questions we solved it in our class. Everything we have solved it in our class. That is the beauty if you listen. Right, I hope you enjoyed last non-zero digit at the hundreds place. Every model in trailing zeros, every model in highest powers, every model in exam model, everything in detail I have covered it. Everything in detail we have covered it.